Welcome, students. Once again, I am here with the second part of the lesson Human Health and Diseases. You must be remembering yesterday I had discussed regarding rickettsial diseases, plus mycoplasmal diseases, chlamydial diseases, spirochetal diseases, etc. I think, excepting one, that is the spirochetal diseases, I had discussed all the previous uncommon diseases, and today we are going to start with spirochetal diseases. The disease is caused by a group of bacteria called spirochetes, which are long and spiral with flagella located between the cell wall and underlying membrane. Syphilis is a disease considered as STD, that is sexually transmitted disease, and the pathogen Treponema pallidum. The disease can spread from infected mother to developing fetus also, and thus the congenital syphilis is caused to the newborn. Apart from this syphilis like disease gets transmitted from the infected person to a healthy person through sexual contact. Now, in the next series, we are going to discuss regarding the acquired diseases. These are the diseases which may occur after birth during one's lifetime based on their ability or inability to spread from one individual to another. Acquired diseases are of two types: infectious or communicable disease, the disease which can be transmitted from diseased person to healthy person by means of infectious agents known as communicable disease. For example, tuberculosis, measles, malaria, etc. The next one is non-infectious or non-communicable disease, the disease which cannot be transmitted from an infected individual to a healthy person are known as non-infectious or non-communicable disease. For example, high blood pressure, cancer, allergy, obesity, etc. Among non-infectious diseases, cancer is the major cause of death. Pathogen are disease-causing organisms. Parasite are pathogens as they harm the host body or the living body living in them. Pathogens have to adapt to life within the environment of the host. Common infectious diseases in man are bacterial diseases like typhoid and pneumonia, viral diseases, the common cold, polio, these are the viral diseases, protozoan diseases, malaria, and amoebic dysentery caused by the plasmodium and entamoeba respectively. Malaria being a common disease, the life cycle of plasmodium in female anopheles mosquito can be summarized as: first, when the female Anopheles mosquito sucks the blood of an infected host, it receives the RBC including gametocytes. Further development occurs in the stomach wall of mosquito. The gametes fuse to form zygote. The zygote undergoes further development to form sporozoites. Sporozoites, after liberation from the stomach wall, move to different organs in the body